What's up, everyone? This is Donald with ComputeHub. Today we're going to be talking about Filehub. What is Filehub? Filehub is our simple to use cloud storage and file sharing platform that runs on ComputeHub. The pricing model is super simple. You basically pay for the server resources. You're allowed unlimited users. You have full control of the server backend. Just really want to make a simple to use platform with no complexities involved when it comes to the pricing model or how you divvy up users or share your files through a platform like this. If you need help spinning up a Filehub server on ComputeHub, there is a video on how to do this. It's pretty simple. It only takes a few minutes once you have a ComputeHub login. I will put in the description below a link to that video. But today here on the screen, this is the Filehub login. As you can see, there's an IP address up here in the URL bar. That's going to be the easiest way for you to access your Filehub to get there through this URL. So the first time you have your Filehub server up and running, the username and password is going to be defaulted for everyone the same, and that username and password is admin and admin123. Now the first thing I recommend everyone do is, as soon as you're in here, you're going to want to change your password. The process for changing your password is pretty much the same whether you're just a standard user or you're an admin. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top right here, and if you're in here as admin, it's going to show this up here as admin, or if you're in here as a user, it's going to show as your username. But you're just going to go ahead and click on this, and you'll get a pop-up where you'll put in your old password, and then you'll put in your new password, whatever it is, and you'll click save. And you might get kicked out at this instance, but you'll just go ahead and log in with your new username and password. So again, super easy to update your password just to make sure everything looks good. Next thing I want to show you is how to add and manage users in the platform. So to do that as an admin, you're going to go ahead and go to users, and you'll see here in the list all of your current users that you have based on how old or how long you've been using Filehub. But to add a new user, you simply just click on New. You select a role, whether it's a user or an admin. Now, an admin will have the same capabilities as we see here now, whereas a user will have limited capabilities and won't be able to do certain things like add users and change anything on the GUI for the platform. So in this example, I'll create a user. I'll call it test user 2, and we'll give it the name. And then we're just going to give it a password to start off with. Now, they can again go in and update their password as soon as they log in. And then the home folder. So this is where you can kind of limit where this user is inside the platform. If we had more folders, we could say that we want them to have their own folder and start from there. But for now, we don't have any folders in here, so we're going to go ahead and just give them full access to the system. And then the final thing is to select their permissions. They're pretty straightforward what they mean. The read, they can basically just view files within the platform. Writing, they can copy, delete, move things as they want. Upload, they'll be able to add files to the file platform. Download, they'll be able to download files. Batch download means they can download more than one file at a time. And then zip is allowing them to zip files into a zip folder. So again, you can add as few or as many permissions as you want in here. So I'm going to go ahead and save, and then as soon as that user is ready to go. So we can just, for example, go in here and log in as this new user, and you'll see they're in here right here where they can go in here and change their password if they want to. So let's go ahead and go back into the admin user. Go back into users, Really simple. If you want to delete a user, just go to this trash can here and confirm, and they're gone. Let's go back to the main page. Let's talk about how to add folders. So that's super easy. Go ahead and just click New, Add Folder, and then give it a name. New folder. And bam, there you are. So then you can drill down into that folder and add files there. Super easy. If you want to make any changes or whatnot to that folder, you can just click on these dots and they give you the options here: delete, rename, move, etc. You can also do multiple folders at a time and do what you want with it. So again, super easy. Also under new, you can create a new file. For example, if you want to create a text file, you can create a new file by typing .txt at the end of it. Then you can go in and you can edit your file and whatnot. And similar options for files that you would have for a folder with a few more options. To add files, again, another super easy thing. So make sure you're in the folder that you want to be in. So we'll put some in this new folder. You're basically just going to click Add Files. It's going to pull up your browser here, and we're just going to add a photo. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the photo. It's going to show it uploading down here, and then here it is. Here it is in this folder. So again, super easy. Certain file types you can preview. So like with JPEGs, it'll allow you to pull it up. And again, you just have options. You can delete, move, rename, whatnot, the file. So again, super easy, very intuitive. If you've used any sort of file sharing platform in the past, it should feel pretty intuitive when you're going around inside Filehub. But again, we just wanted something really easy because we know a lot of these platforms out there have become very complex, and there's a lot of rules on how much you're paying. You get certain functionality. We just wanted to make something really basic that allowed you just to share files with whoever you want with, create accounts for people really easily so they can get in and view certain files. So that was really the idea behind Filehub, and we're looking for feedback, so let us know if there's any additional functionality you would like to see. Again, we're just trying to keep it simple, but we're open to your feedback because you guys are the ones that are going to drive and help us move our business forward. So again, thanks for watching this video. We have other videos on our ComputeHub platform on our YouTube videos, so go ahead and check those out if you're interested in cloud computing and our further platform. And thanks again, and look forward to seeing you soon.